Hi, I'm Tom from Sonardyne, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Origin 600 ADCP in a tripod bed frame. This tripod kit has been supplied to us by Mooring Systems Inc. and has been designed to hold an Origin 600 ADCP. If you don't yet have a tripod for your Origin 600, we can thoroughly recommend using this one. First, carefully lift the Origin 600 out of its transit case. Don't worry about any of the cabling, that can all be done once the ADCP is mounted in the tripod. Next, we lower the ADCP into the tripod mounting ring. Make sure not to catch your fingers under the end cap as you lower the device. With the ADCP safely installed in the tripod, rotate the ADCP to line up the end cap bolt holes with those on the tripod collar. Now that those holes are aligned, we can install mounting bolts to hold the ADCP in place. There, and that's it. Notice how once the ADCP is installed in the tripod, you can still access the wet connector to communicate with the ADCP, you can access the fast charge port for recharging the ADCP, and also the battery disconnect for insertion to cut power during transportation. And the tripod legs are really good for installing rope canisters, pop-up buoys, and an acoustic release, all available through our website. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please get in touch via sonardyne.com or one of our regional offices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything new from Sonardyne. Thanks for watching.